Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. A trusted VPN client with a kill switch and active subscription, plus an incognito browser window. Now, launch the VPN app and authenticate. This ensures all traffic is tunneled outside the browser. Once done, select a nearby server for lower latency, and make sure the kill switch is enabled so no data leaks if the VPN drops. Then open the incognito window. This clears local cookies and history, while the VPN handles. You now configure the VPN for incognito use. Enable the kill switch, DNS leak protection, and IPv6 blocking to prevent identifiable leaks. Next, connect the VPN before you open any tabs. Starting it first guarantees the browser's incognito session only sees the VPN tunnel. Make sure the virtual network adapter shows as connected in your OS. Once connected, open Incognito and verify the displayed IP and country. This confirms the browser traffic is routed through the VPN endpoint. You finish by closing normal browser windows so cookies or sign-ins don't cross into Incognito. Visit the site you need while in Incognito to maintain minimal local traces. If a site detects the VPN, switch to another server or enable obfuscation or stealth mode in your VPN settings. That often bypasses simple blocks. If connectivity fails, the kill switch will block traffic. Reconnect, confirm the new IP, and then reload the Incognito tab to resume safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.